Lauderdale, Florida, is the largest indoor entertainment venue in the state, covering over 200,000 square feet of action packed attractions. Perfect for thrill seekers of all ages, the park features high speed go kart racing, a state of the art bowling alley, a massive arcade, and a challenging ropes course suspended above the gaming floor. Visitors can also enjoy a roller skating rink, laser tag arena, escape rooms, virtual reality experiences, and a fun mini golf course suitable for all. For those looking to unwind, Xtreme Action Park offers the Pit Stop Kitchen for dining and Pit Bar, a full service sports bar. It's also a great venue for private parties, corporate events, and team building activities. Extreme Action Park delivers non-stop excitement in the heart of Fort Lauderdale.